Hello and welcome to. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of Down syndrome, a genetic condition impacting many lives worldwide. This condition, also known as trisomy 21, is caused by the presence of an extra chromosome 21 in a person's cells. It's a journey of understanding that takes us through the intricacies of cell division, genetic testing, and ongoing scientific research. We'll also address common questions, such as whether Down syndrome can be inherited. We'll be guided by experts in the field, from genetic counselors to dedicated researchers, as we demystify this common genetic condition. As we navigate through the complex world of Down syndrome, remember that every individual with this condition is unique, with their own strengths and challenges. Get ready to unravel the mysteries behind this common genetic condition. Down syndrome, also known as trisomy 21, is caused by an extra chromosome. But what does this mean? In the heart of every cell in our body, we find the genome, a complete set of our genetic material. This genetic material is organized into 46 chromosomes, each carrying hundreds to thousands of genes. These genes are the blueprints for all the proteins our bodies need to function. The process of cell division is a meticulously choreographed dance, where these chromosomes are supposed to split evenly, creating two identical sets. But sometimes, a misstep occurs in this dance. This misstep is known as non-disjunction. During the formation of an egg or sperm cell, chromosomes usually pair up and then separate, ensuring that each new cell gets one copy of each chromosome. But non-disjunction disrupts this process. Instead of the chromosomes separating as they should, they stick together, leading to an egg or sperm cell having an extra chromosome, or in some cases, missing one. When an egg with an extra chromosome is fertilized by a normal sperm, or vice versa, the resulting embryo ends up with 3 copies of that particular chromosome instead of the normal 2. In the case of Down syndrome, this extra chromosome is number 21. This is why Down syndrome is also known as trisomy 21. Tri signifying 3 and somy denoting body or substance, in this case the chromosome. So, trisomy 21 literally means 3 bodies of chromosome 21. The presence of this extra chromosome 21 in every cell affects the normal development and functioning of the body. It alters the usual genetic instructions, leading to the physical and cognitive characteristics associated with Down syndrome. This chromosomal anomaly paves the way for the onset of Down syndrome. It's a testament to the delicate balance of our genetic material and how a single extra piece can have such profound effects. But remember, the presence of an extra chromosome does not define an individual's potential or worth. Each person with Down syndrome is unique, with their own abilities, aspirations, and place in the world. Early detection of Down syndrome can significantly aid in providing timely intervention and support. But how do we detect it? Enter the world of genetic testing, a remarkable field that allows us to peek into the blueprint of life. Genetic tests, such as amniocentesis and chorionic villus sampling, are 2 common methods used to detect Down syndrome during pregnancy. Amniocentesis, often performed during the 2nd trimester, involves extracting a small sample of the amniotic fluid surrounding the fetus. This fluid contains fetal cells, providing a wealth of genetic information. On the other hand, chorionic villus sampling, or CVS, is typically performed during the 1st trimester. CVS involves sampling cells from the placenta, which, like the fetus, is rich in genetic material. Both of these tests aim to detect the presence of an extra chromosome 21, the telltale sign of Down syndrome. But why is early detection so important? Simply put, knowledge is power. The earlier Down syndrome is detected, the sooner families can begin planning for the unique needs of their child. Early intervention programs can start as soon as the child is born, providing therapies and support to help the child reach their full potential. Moreover, early detection gives healthcare providers a head start, allowing them to anticipate and manage any health problems associated with Down syndrome. This proactive approach can significantly improve the child's quality of life. So, what's the takeaway here? Genetic testing is an invaluable tool in our quest to understand and manage Down syndrome. It provides not just answers, but also guidance and preparation. Remember, Down syndrome is not a tragedy or a burden. It's simply a different path. And with the right support and understanding, those with Down syndrome can lead fulfilling, meaningful lives. Early detection plays a crucial role in managing Down syndrome. So let's advocate for access to genetic testing and early intervention programs. creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. After all, our differences are what make us human. Scientists worldwide are working tirelessly to understand Down syndrome better. Let's delve into the science behind it. Down syndrome, or trisomy 21, is a complex condition with many layers to uncover. One of the most intriguing aspects of this condition is the intricate dance of genes and proteins that lead to its manifestation. Meet Dr. Genome, a scientist who has dedicated her life to understanding the mysteries of Down syndrome. Down syndrome, she explains, is not just about an extra chromosome, but also about how this extra genetic material affects gene expression. The extra copy of chromosome 21 causes an overexpression of certain genes, leading to the characteristics we associate with Down syndrome. Dr. Genome and her team are delving deeper into the cellular level to understand this overexpression. They're discovering that the extra chromosome disrupts the delicate balance of proteins within cells, affecting their function and leading to the physical and cognitive characteristics of Down syndrome. But that's not all. Researchers are also exploring targeted therapies to mitigate the effects of this overexpression. Our aim, Dr. Genome says, is not to eliminate the extra chromosome, but to normalize the overexpression of genes. We want to improve the quality of life for individuals with Down syndrome. This is a complex task indeed. It involves understanding the role of each gene on chromosome 21, how they interact with each other, and how they influence the overall function of the body. Despite the challenges, researchers like Dr. Genome are making significant strides in this field. Understanding Down syndrome is like solving a complex puzzle, one piece at a time. Every discovery, every breakthrough brings us closer to a fuller understanding of this condition. And with understanding comes the possibility of better interventions, personalized therapies, and ultimately, a better quality of life for individuals with Down syndrome. Scientific research is the key to improving the quality of life for individuals with Down syndrome.